overcook. So this is the final product. Okay, let's now cook and see. So hello good people, happy new year. In today's video we are going to unbox my air fryer. It's a Kenwood. It's a 5.5 liter or 2.4 kg. Okay, so let's unbox together. First we have this. It has a series of recipes which obviously we are going to try. Okay, then we have this. I think it's just giving us a range of the items they have, I guess. I'll check. And of course we have the manual. Okay, it's a Kenwood. So my neighbor's chicken has decided we're not going to shoot. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. So this is the shape. I love the shape. Okay, it's okay, we'll make do with the chicken. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see how the inside looks like. So you press here, I guess. Jesus. Let me first. Oh, it has these sealings. So let's unseal before we can open. I think they seal so that people don't keep on opening and closing. Okay, yeah, because it's so easy. Okay, so this is the pot. My neighbor's chicken has my neighbor's chicken has decided but we move. So this is the pot. As you can see, it's reasonably big, which means you cook twice, and I mean you cook enough. So if you want to remove the inside part, of course, for cleaning, you press here. We're going to shoot with the chicken, so don't worry. So this is independent, and then this is independent. Okay, and as you can see, it's big enough. I think we're going to, then when you're returning, you press it so that it goes back to the same spot. I'm not going to return because I need to clean it, because obviously we have to try it today. So let's just see the other features. So this is how the top looks like. It has here the different temperatures and the different things that you can cook. It guides you that you cook chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. Sorry, fries, chips for 15 to 20 minutes. Then at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's just shoot with the chicken. Just ignore it. Then we have this. I don't know what this is, but I'll figure out from the manual. Then we have shrimp at 15 to 20 minutes. Then we have cupcakes, which means you can bake with it at 20 to 30 minutes. And then we have chicken at 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And then we have I don't know what this is. I'll figure out from the manual. And of course we have chicken at 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And then this is now where the temperatures will be, which means if you want to bake cupcakes, you just select that one. If you want to, okay, this is the turning on, and then this gives you the temperature. Then you have the fries here, you have the fish here, you have the chicken here. The ones I'm yet to figure out, we are going to definitely figure out with you. Okay, so what it says, let me check here on the cover. It says it's a digital touch screen display with 7 preset programs. It uses hot rapid air circulation system, and you use only 1 spoon of oil. So we're going to try out and see. And of course they say it comes with a recipe book. And then we have, it says you can fry, you can grill, and you can bake and roast. Yeah, so we're going to figure out how it works shortly. So we have already prepared our fries, our potatoes, before they become fries. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to dry them a bit and see if I can okay. Then we are going to season, and we are only going to season with salt. So I'm only going to use 3 seasoning. So we have the salt. I usually like to add salt before cooking, even when I'm deep frying. We have, of course, paprika. And the last thing is garlic powder. Then we're going to mix everything together. My counter is clean. I clean it before cooking in case I have spillage, so not to worry. So our seasoning is in place. And then what they say about the air fryer is you just need to spread some oil. So I don't know what I'm going to use because it's my first time, but let's see how it goes. Let me get the oil, then I see how I'll work around. So they usually say you use 1 spoon, but I think this quantity is not much, so I'll use less before I add the next lot. So I'll just spread it. I don't know, I think I'll mix with a spoon because I don't think I want to touch oil. If you have an air fryer, can you share tips of how you achieve the 1 spoon or the kidogo oil that you need to apply? So I would say we are ready, and we get our pots over here. So let's add our potatoes and see how it goes. Or I'm supposed to add when they're already here. I don't know. Let me just figure out and then I'll tell you. And if you know, you can comment down below. Help a sister. As you can see, the 5 liter is amazing because this is the only portion that I have put, which means I will be putting my entire portion in one go, which is a good thing. So let me prepare the second lot. Let's now cook and see. So I don't know, since I've never used before, I'm assuming it works like the way the pressure cooker works, because for pressure cooker you have to connect it for you to be able to turn it on. So this one I've decided to also just add. And if you're not subscribed, kindly consider joining the Jess family. Okay, we are on the road to 1000 subscribers. As you can see, it has turned on, and we are going to just see how it works. So this is what, guy, it doesn't seem like fries work, or what happens. What am I supposed to do? Honestly. Oh, I'm the one who turned it off, so I need to turn it on. I don't know, because you see, all the things that I'm supposed to cook are not active. So I don't know. Let me go to the menu and figure out. So as it cooks, I'll just explain to you how I've discovered you can use these two. These are temperature setting, and these two are timer settings. Alternatively, you can use this is what will give you the options of this. So when I pressed this, it gave me the option of fries. I don't know whether it is smart enough to detect that it has fries inside, and I had actually put the timer at 20 minutes, and when I chose the automatic, it selected 15 minutes. So I'm assuming it's smart enough. So let's wait for 15 minutes and see the outcome. So it is off now. The best thing about an air fryer, unlike a pressure cooker, is that you don't have to wait for it to cool down. You know, you just get whatever you are cooking. Sorry, I've not arranged the shopping items. That's why I'm struggling with them. And this is the final product. It's actually well cooked. I didn't know 15 minutes is actually a long time to almost overcook. So this is the final product. Okay, so I think the top ones have cooked are a bit crunchy than the bottom one. So they are now fully cooked. It's just to serve. I love this concept. Thank you so much for watching this far and your continued support, and we also look forward to the support in the new year 2023, and see you on our next one. Bye.